All right, guys, so here we are, camera review for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you, I went on a tour when I was in New York, so I'm going to show you all of the footage from that. And then I'm shooting this intro right now from my office, obviously, with the cameras on the Z Fold 7. Now, the inner display used to be an under display camera, but they've removed that and put a 10 megapixel camera in there. And the cover display is a 10 megapixel as well. So I'll show you both of those in this setting. But let's kick this off. I hope you enjoy the footage, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, guys, so Samsung updated both cameras on the cover display and the inner display. There's no more under camera display for the inner display, and I'll show you that one in a moment. But I'm just here in my office, no microphones. I'm just kind of holding the phone and showing you the cover display, the 10 megapixel here, and the quality. Now I'm going to show you the inner display. All right, guys, so this is one of the major upgrades that they've done, was removing that under display camera and just putting a 10 megapixel camera on the larger displays camera for the inner screen. And this was a huge upgrade that was greatly needed by people who wanted to use this format right here by using the inner displays camera.
All right, guys, this is all footage from when I was in New York, like I said before, and these are all 200 megapixel photos. So we had a chance to get out and explore. If you've never been in New York before, you have to get out and explore. And some of these things in this photo, obviously, these photos that you're going to see, I've obviously seen before, you've seen before. But the thing is, these were all taken with the 200 megapixel camera on the Z Fold 7. And this just shows the improvements over the previous generation. So sit back, relax, and enjoy, and look at some photos before we close out. All right, guys, let's go ahead and close out with a short video here. This is just great footage, and I'm testing out the zoom here, as you can see on the camera. But all in all, folks, this is a great set of cameras. It's definitely an upgrade over the previous generation Z Fold lineup. And I think this is where this phone is starting to separate itself from the other generations. I mean, just look at this footage here. Wonderful footage that you can get from a folding device. So I'll leave a link in the description so you can grab yours if you haven't already done so. But it's your man, J Will. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.